today's EVS class, we are going to learn about plants around us. So today we are going to learn about different parts of plants. So these are roots, stem, leaves, flower and fruits. These all are parts of plants. Roots hold the plant to the ground. It takes in food and water from the soil. Roots are mostly grown under the ground. Stem, it holds the plant upright. It takes food and water to all the parts of the plant. Leaves make food from the plants. Leaves are mostly green in color. Leaves are of different shapes and sizes. Flowers are the most beautiful part of a plant. It makes seeds or fruits. Fruits are the most tasty part of a plant. Fruits are of different tastes, color, shapes and sizes. We see many plants around us. They are of different shapes and sizes. Plants make our world beautiful and plants keep the air fresh and clean. They are of different shapes and sizes. Big plants are called trees. They are big and strong. Big plants are called trees. So you can look so many trees over there. These all are trees. The example of trees are apple tree, coconut tree, banyan tree, orange tree, mango tree. Trees have different shapes and sizes. Shrubs are very small plants which look like bushes. So these all are bushes. You can see the bushes, the rose plant, the example ant,
Marigold.
this plant, this is a shrub. The example of shrubs are rose, crouton, champa and tomato. Climbers are very weak plants which need a support to grow. You can see this plant is having a support to grow. Climber needs support of wall, sticks or other plants to grow. The example of climbers are money plant. Herbs. Herbs are very small plants which are used for medicine. Example of herbs is mint. You can see mint over here. Tulsi. Herbs are very small and weak plants. The example of herbs are mint, coriander and tulsi. Are the very weak plants which grow along the ground. Weak plants growing along the ground are called creepers. Examples are watermelon, pumpkin.
My name is Shaina Singha. I show you our plants. That is mango tree and guava tree. That is very strong and bigger. Shrubs. That is marigold plant. That is lemon plant. That is rose plant. I show you herbs. That is tulsi plants. That is called herbs. That is
Plants need air, water, soil and sunlight to live. Plants are very useful for us. We get lots of things from plants. Plants are very important for us as we get many useful things from our plants. For example, fruits, vegetables, seeds and pulses, wheat, rice, corn are cereals. Arhar, moong and gram are called pulses. We get wood to make furniture like table, door, chair, windows and bed. We get medicines from the plant like neem, tulsi, mint and amla. Perfumes, soaps and toothpaste is also made from plants. We get perfumes from flowers like jasmine, rose and lily. We get soaps and toothpaste from the oil and juices of plants like neem, coconut and cloves. We get cotton and jute from plants. Cotton fibers are used to make cotton clothes. Jute fibers are used to make bags, mats, ropes and sacks. We get oil from seeds of plants like mustard, sunflower and coconut. Oil is used for cooking and oiling the hairs. We get rubber, gum and paper from plants. Gum is used to stick pictures and many more other things. Rubber is used to make tire, tubes and erasers. We get paper from plants like bamboo and pine. We get glue from acacia tree. We get tea, coffee and sugar from plants. We get spices from plants. Even plants are useful for animals as animals eat grass and they make their homes on the trees like birds.
Things we get from plants: vegetable, fruits, oil, coffee, tea, wood, sugar, paper.
I hope you all have understood that plants are very important in our life. We get lot of things from the plants. So we should always take care of plants and we should always grow more and more plants.